10 underwear laces.
So, one na to, ah.
Akin na to, ah.
Bacon.
Cara, what are you doing? And next up, we'd like to keep everyone in spit on stage. Bakit kayo umalis? Dapat nandito lang po kayo. Alright. Now, I'm going to need you to give me 3 letters from the alphabet. Just shout letters. R-I-K. R-I-K. R-I-K.
Oh, Arin! What are you doing?
Reading Indian... Bibay, what are you doing?
Writing in the...
Ariel, what are you doing? Oh, ritualizing intimate kisses. Oh, Thea, what are you doing?
Rectifying the injustice in Kenya.
Oh.
Bawal!
Ibagsak ang imperialismo! Monica, what are you doing? Really indulging in kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy!
God, what are you doing?
Relieving insides knowingly. Happy, what are you doing?
Reviving internalized kids.
Mabuhay ka!
Let's go.
Mabuhay ka!
Ayaw mo yan.
Kara, what are you doing?
Reminiscing in kaleidoscope.
Angelica, what are you doing? Renting EP killers.
Yan.
4 days. Pwede ba yung 4 days?
Papu, what are you doing?
I'm relaxing in Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oy, gravy
Oh, gravy! Thea, what are you doing?
I'm realizing that I have kids.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Angelica, what are you doing?
Receiving indoor knobs.
Thank you, Carl lang, ah.
Thank you, mabubukas ka
Joke,
na
dito lang.
Carl, what are you doing?
I am...
Alright. Can I have a different set of letters? M-C-W. M-C-W.
Missy, what are you doing?
Masticating Indian wine. Masticating Canadian wine. Ariel, what are you doing?
Mystifying the connection among women.
Parang feeling ko bawal to. Hindi ko siya gets.
Oh, Angelica! What are you doing?
Making creative writing.
Oh, wow.
In the beginning.
Bibay, what are you doing? Memorizing colloquial words.
Alright, can I have another 3 letters from this side? A-X-S. A-X-S.
Monica, what are you doing? Always xylophone singing. Bibay, what are you doing?
Auxiliary X-ray surfacing.
Oh, dito lang yung sa auxiliary,
Yung skull.
Happy, what are you doing?
Alleviating xenophobic sexists.
Paano kayo gagaan ang pakiramdam nyo?
Thea, what are you doing? Answering the X-Men in the series. Carl, what are you doing?
I am accepting xenophobic.
Alright, can I have another 3 letters from the middle? E-T-U-L. Etul.
Papa, what are you doing?
I'm excited about Tule unknowingly.
L.
Leisurely. Angelica, what are you doing?
I'm expecting talong until later.
Babes, ang tagal naman ng talong.
Darating na siya!
Aaron, what are you doing?
Eating 10 underwear laces.
So, one na to, ah.
Akin na to, ah.
Bacon.
Parang masarap naman.
Cara, what are you doing?
Energizing the Ulysses later.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was What Are You Doing?
What are you doing?
Nainitan ako doon.
Oh, Spit Manila.